Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So Fetch AI, it's another AI coin. Well, it's a lifetime downtrend, so we love those coins. Actually, all the AI are like that. I guess they just got into the market at the beginning of the bear market. They should have known better. No, I'm joking. All right, so well, it doesn't look that appealing as a chart, but at least it's fighting back. And honestly, it wasn't that far from making. I would say if he was able to reach this level at 88 cents, would have been very good. And if he was able to even make a higher high, would have been, you know, very like more convincing that this coin has potential. But it did go kind of far, so we cannot complain. Like see more a little bit more than 60 cents. Let me see here. Yeah, 60 cents. All right, so we're not still 1/3 of the road to go, I would say about. Now, honestly, if you click on this logic log button, though, it looks much better. Okay, so if we base our chart on the log, yeah, we are much better. Even though the price they don't change, but we were so near, right, on the log chart. And so I would say we can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 movements. Now, yeah, there are some people they move like take in consideration only this as a 1, 2, and this is another distinctive impulsive movement as a wave. You can actually count 5 waves, but I don't like this count because the wave 1 it's too big, it's disproportional. And yeah, so okay, so I would say that the when you put it not on a log chart, it makes more sense. All right, so now let's dig in. So without the log chart, I can say that this was a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and then we had the 5, and this would be the ideal retracement for the wave 2. Up to now, I believe we did the so we did the A, this was the B. We're going kind of on the side and contracting, channeling, if you want. And now we're breaking down. Honestly, it's not that. It's a little bit blur situation with the wave B, and also the wave A is so fast that yeah, I would say it's too early to say that we're done. And in fact, as you can see, we're far from the ideal retracement. So I'm actually questioning myself because it's really off off the cycle comparing to the other crypto altcoins or even AI coins, because all the others they're almost there. If I check AJAX, we're really approaching the zone, and we already started I would say the 5th wave, and then we're almost at the end. And Ali also, we can count at least 3 waves thanks to today. Or maybe we're starting the 3rd wave, but Fetch, I am not sure. Let me go into the 1-hour chart. And also, yeah, it's this movement I like, and but maybe we're doing the 3rd wave, who knows. But also the retracement, I find it could have been better. Let me just do it. I didn't do it yet. So let me change the setting for a wave 2. So this is the wave 1. We didn't we barely retrace as a wave 2, and now we'll do we're doing the wave 3. If that is the case, where ideally wave 3 should go. So let's see. So I'm doing the Fibonacci extension. This was the wave 1. This was a very shallow wave 2. We actually, yeah, I don't know if this was the wave 3 already. You might see it's so fast. I find it's too fast. And if this is the wave 3, for sure it cannot be wave 4 because it retraced too much. So I would say this is the third wave, still ongoing now, and we'll see how far can it go. Ideally it's going to go here, and but if that is the case, is not even going to reach this level. So I would say counting this as a wave 1, it's maybe not accurate. And then so maybe this should be, all this should be the wave 1, and now we barely reached the 0.5 retracement, and now we're doing the wave 3. Yeah, maybe this is more accurate, but you know, bear in mind this, once again, it's a micro counting, so it's never perfect, and it can change often, as you can see. And now we'll see, you know, the more we see structure, then we can maybe determine the proper wave count. But for the moment, would that make more sense? So the wave 3 should end up, yeah, right here. Not sure. Well, ideally, okay. So the wave 3 should go around 30 cents, and the wave 5 at 21 cents, let's say, where we can leave some room. Maybe the wave 3 is going to end around here. Let me do some guessing, and totally not calculating anything. So I would say if we can get around here, and ideally the wave 5, once again, this is a guessing, if we can get near the 0.618 at 26-27 cents, would be already great. Okay, but this is guessing, so I don't want to put any too much time into it. So let's see. So I take into consideration this was the wave 1, this is wave 2, and now we're doing this ongoing third wave. Let's see how far it can go, and then when we see price reverse, we can maybe estimate what would be the ideal retracement for a wave 4, and after that a wave 5. Now I don't remember if I did the RSI. I think I did, but maybe I don't know. I did so many charts today. Okay, so the RSI, we're still, let me take out this thing. So the RSI, we are still on a downtrend, and MACD as well, we are getting deeper into the negative zone. So, you know, nothing, it's hinting us that price should stop reaching lower prices. Anyway, this is what we're expecting fetch.ai to do. So let's see how deep can he retrace, if he can actually retrace into this ideal retracement or minimum requirement. Let's also remember that he doesn't have to get into this minimum requirement. He can decide to just flip and reverse before, and it's also following the market, so we need to bear all that in mind. For sure, I am not going to buy at these levels because I find it's too high, and because I already got some FET before, and there are better chart, better coin with better charts that they are already in the minimum requirement zone, or even near the ideal. So for the moment, I'm not saying it's a bad chart, but it's not the chart that I would prioritize as no, because the chart is not great compared to the others. Maybe eventually it's going to go and then reach this ideal retracement, then I would say go for it if you feel like, but for sure this is not financial advice. Alright, so have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.